See, I told you that there's a caretaker of this shrine, and he's right here with us. So he wants to perform some or pour libation and pray for all of us in a traditional way, and that's the routine. So it was rather unfortunate that we came here and he wasn't here. So without wasting much time, I will just welcome our dear father, Nana, pray for all of us in the tradition.
Thank you, Madasina.
Abu.
Amen.
Abu.
Amen.
Abu.
Amen.
Oh, dear, what my child is on so this one of our is the number of seven guys and come on and place you in position around. Oh, not ugly. Son. Demoke, which put more for that ugly. Was another great woman. You put that away, that woman. From the house, one the other woman. Not ugly. What would you feel of the bay? What would you feel of? That day, we should be not ugly. You one. You know, glass would be. But what could I do? I would go to plan. I would make it. Yeah, no problem.
So
Okay.
that is a libation
That's
that
the
is
libation.
poured, and it's always considered as a respectful and honor at the end of it that we leave something. Yeah. So those who are here, whatever comes out of your hearts, you can just I think put it just in front of him, and I think that is well appreciated. Thank you. Yes, please. It is for him. Yes. Yes. Basically, what he said was in fancy language, and he asked of the ancestors, thanking them for bringing you here safely, thanking them for being in Ghana safe, and then he asked for prosperity. He asked for long life and good health on your behalf, and then as you are living, that ancestors also should guide you to your various homes safely.
Thank you.
Basically, that is what it is.
With us.
That's it.